So this tutorial will show you how to access your work from school at home and vice versa, how when you're working on stuff at home and you want to put it in your H drive at school, it'll show you how to do it. First thing you need to do is log into your Webapps window, and once you've logged in, then you can go to your desktop tab here. This is a good tab to go to. And you want to launch this SD72 Web Desktop. It'll take a little bit of time to launch, so just have patience. So once it has launched, then you can switch this over to full screen here. And notice that you have what looks like another Windows desktop environment, but you're actually working through a virtual desktop, because you have your regular desktop down below here. All right, that's your desktop connected to your computer, probably, depending on what operating system you're running. And then you have another Windows desktop with a start menu just above it. And that's the one I want you to go to. And you just go to your computer here. And what it does is it brings up your network location here. This is what you need to pay attention to. This is where all your stuff at school is stored in your student drive. If you need to hand something in to a teacher or anyone else, then you go into the shares. What I want to point out is down below you have this other area, and you have this local disk. You can see this is my computer, and it probably has your computer name there when you're logged into this window from home. Don't confuse this local disk C with your computer. This isn't. This is actually the server that the web desktop environment is running on. So when you want to bring stuff, say you're working on a project at home, and you want to put it in your network drive here that you can access at school, then you go to your local disk C, and you have to navigate to where it is. Most of the time, everything is going to be in your documents and settings, and then you have to figure out, okay, what user you are in here. You won't have as many probably on yours as I do on mine, but you just navigate to wherever your stuff is saved. Mine happens to be in this shared file, is what I'm looking for. Once you go to where your actual project is saved, I'm going to take an activity that I've been working on for math. So it's this unit project sample. I'm just going to take that. That's the project I want. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go back here to computer, and I'm going to go into my what's called my H drive, and I'm going to put it in whatever folder I want. I'm just going to right click and I'll paste it. And so now I've taken it from my home computer and I've put it in my H drive that I can access at school. Likewise, if I want to take something from school, I would just do the opposite. Right click, copy something, and then take it and paste it. Basically, in documents and setting, whatever user you're under, if you want it on your desktop, you go into your user and then you just click desktop and you paste it. All right, so this on my desktop here should be this Hatfield net activity. So if I minimize this whole window, and there's that activity that I just took from school. All right, and that's how you do that.